The acceleration of intelligence the next 5 years will redefine what it means to live in a connected world. Artificial intelligence is moving beyond the screen into the systems that power our homes, our cities, and our decisions. Between 2026 and 2030, we will witness the rise of intelligent infrastructure networks that sense, learn, and evolve. We're not just teaching machines to think, we're teaching the world itself to reason. 2026. The age of personal AI. In 2026, AI becomes personal, deeply, intimately personal. Everyone will have their own digital assistant, trained on their voice, their preferences, their habits. It will manage your day, anticipate your needs, and even communicate on your behalf. For the first time, intelligence won't just live in the cloud, it will live with you. AI. In every device, AI will no longer be limited to servers or labs. Compact, powerful models will run on phones, cars, and wearables. Your devices will talk to each other, exchanging context seamlessly. Your car knowing your schedule, your watch knowing your stress level. The digital world will feel alive, synchronized, predictive, and deeply aware. 2027. The birth of autonomous companies. In 2027, the first autonomous companies will emerge, digital corporations run by AI agents managing operations, writing code, generating reports, and talking to customers, all without human supervision. Businesses will operate 24 hours a day, across time zones, without fatigue. Humans will set the vision, AI will execute the mission. Redefining work. Work will no longer be defined by repetition, but by creativity and As automation takes over routine tasks, new roles will appear: prompt engineers, model architects, and ethical audit. The new career advantage won't be physical effort, but intellectual collaboration with machines. The future belongs to those who know how to think with AI. 2028, AI becomes infrastructure. By 2028, AI will disappear from sight because it will be everywhere. It will power transportation systems, financial markets, supply chains, and energy grids. Smart cities will operate like living organisms, sensing demand, balancing power, optimizing flow. Invisible intelligence will become the silent engine of civilization. The healthcare revolution. Healthcare will become predictive instead of reactive. AI will analyze your biomarkers, detect patterns invisible to doctors, and forecast illness years in advance. Medicine will move from hospitals to homes, from emergency treatment to continuous prevention. The result? Longer, healthier lives, guided by invisible intelligence. The creative explosion. Around 2029, creativity will become the new frontier of AI. Machines will write, paint, compose, and design, not as tools, but as collaborators. Artists, engineers, and storytellers will work side by side with generative models, transforming imagination into reality in seconds. Creation will no longer require skill, only vision. AI in the global economy and finance. AI will reshape the economy from the inside out. Algorithms will predict market shifts before they happen, and economic simulations will guide real-world policy. Fraud detection will become autonomous, and global trade will operate with algorithmic precision. The economy itself will begin to think. The connected mind. By 2030, the border between human and machine intelligence will blur. Brain-computer interfaces will extend memory, enhance creativity, and share knowledge instantly. For the first time, thought will flow freely between biology and code. Humanity will not end, it will upgrade. Risks and responsibility, but with great power comes profound responsibility. Every algorithm carries bias. Every dataset carries a worldview. As AI shapes society, we must ask not only what it can do, but what it should do. The next frontier is not just technological, it's moral. Human plus AI collaboration. The narrative of competition will fade. The most powerful systems will combine human intuition with machine precision, judgment with computation, empathy with logic. The winning formula is not human or AI, but human and AI. The evolution of education will become fully adaptive. AI mentors will guide students through custom learning paths, adjusting to every strength, weakness, and curiosity. Classrooms will become virtual ecosystems, interactive, immersive, and global. Learning will no longer end with graduation. It will follow you for life. The new economy of intelligence will become the world's most valuable resource. Nations will compete not for territory, but for algorithms, compute, and talent. Those who build responsible AI will lead the new global order. The future of power will belong to the builders of thought. The co-intelligent future. Between 2026 and 2030, AI will transform from a tool into a collaborator, from automation to co-creation. These years will not replace humanity, they will redefine it. The future of intelligence is not artificial. It's a world where human imagination and machine precision evolve together.